Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market. (2015) Ford Explorer XLT fog lamp bulb replacement. It's the same for both sides, just tucked in here. You can really take the 8mm bolt out if you need a little more room for your arm. Got a screw here and screw here. Here you just flip down for you. Probably 8mm, not a huge deal. Otherwise we're going to do the passenger side here. Push down on this tab and release it. It says H11. See how it's got 3 tabs on it. One big tab. Give you a little shot of the hole, so just got to line up those tabs with the tabs in the hole. Great, I have to redo the whole thing. We'll get an H11 bulb, we'll plug it back in to there and insert it and turn it. There it is. Now I've heard talk over the years about touching bulbs and having oil on your hands do damage to headlight bulbs, etc. However, my little experiment, I put motor oil on the bulbs, hooked them up to a battery, and let them sit for 2 or 3 hours and never had a problem. Now I'm not sure if that proves anything or not, but I didn't have any issues with finger touching the bulb, but that's what they say out there, so just so you know. But there you go, fog light bulb replacement, H11, 2015 Ford Explorer XLT.